Hi viewers, welcome back. Today in this video, let's going to learn about past simple. Till now we have covered present tense and its forms. Please do watch my video till the end. If you like my video, like, share and comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want my previous videos, links are in the description box. Let's move on to the topic past simple tense. Let us learn what is past simple and how to use it in the sentences. Okay, it is used to denote an action that happened in the past. Means past simple is used to describe the past actions. The structure of it is subject plus V2 plus object. Let's understand with the help of some sentences. She visited the temple yesterday. Here in this sentence, she visited the temple yesterday. Means the action is completed yesterday. Okay, what is the verb form used here? Visited. It is in V2 form. As we know, every verb has three forms: present tense, past tense and past participle. Here in the past simple tense, we use the past tense verb. Means V2 form of the verb we use in the past simple tense. He bought a car last week. Okay, she left the house last year. The teacher clarified my doubts yesterday. Deepthi read the novel last night. In all these sentences, the verbs visited, bought, left, clarified, read all are in V2 forms. Okay, we observe here some regular verbs and some irregular verbs. Visited and clarified. These are regular verbs. And what are the irregular verbs? Here we observed left, read and bought. These are irregular verbs. Regular verbs are formed by adding d or ed to the base form of the verb. Okay, how to frame these regular verbs? How can we form them? We can know through the syllables. Okay, based on the syllables we can form these regular verbs. Okay, if you want them, you can watch in the next video. If I explain it, it will become lengthy. That's why now we will see what is past simple and what are its uses in the sentences. Okay, what is past simple? It is used to denote an action that happened in the past. It describes the past actions. Okay, here the time expressions used yesterday, last week, last year, last night. These are all denote, these all time expressions denote that the action happened in the past. With these keywords, we can easily understand it is the sentence is in past simple. Okay, let's move on to the other use of past simple. It is also used to express an action that occurred and finished at a specific time in the past. Okay, means this past simple tense is also used to express an action. That action happened and it also finished at a specific point of time in the past. Let's see here. Last night, last week, last month, ago, yesterday. These are all the time expressions used in the past simple tense. Examples. Last night I watched television. Okay, here when I did watch the television last night means the action of watching television happened and finished last night. I played hockey 3 days ago. The playing of hockey finished 3 days ago means 3 days before I played hockey. We lighted diyas a few days ago. Here the action of lighting diyas also finished few days ago. Means it refers to this past simple tense refers to an action that occurred and finished at a specific time in the past. Okay, a series of completed actions also expressed in past simple tense. This past simple tense also used to express a series of completed actions. Okay, let's understand with the examples. Today I watched the movie in theater, had dinner on the way, and reached home. Here, these actions are all series of activities. These are all done in the past. For that also we can use past simple tense. I started from home, reached the school, taught the children, and gave homework. Okay, Sita put on the laptop, browsed YouTube, and watched a video on English language. These are all the actions which were completed in the past, but these are all in a series. The series of completed actions we can use past simple tense. Past simple tense also used to express duration of the past actions. Duration means length of the time that something lasts. Okay, it is also used to express the duration of the past actions, means how much time that past action continued. Okay, that action continued in the past. Let's understand with examples. Sita and Divya talked for 2 hours. Okay, here how much time they talked, Sita and Divya? For 2 hours. This shows the duration of the time, 2 hours. Students completed their project within 2 days. How much time they took to complete the project? 2 days. This shows the duration of their completion of the project. He waited all morning for his friend. Okay, what's the duration of time here? All morning. All morning he waited for his friend. Hence we can say that it is used to show the duration of the past time, past actions. Here 2 hours, 2 days and all morning. These all words show the duration of the action. As we know, past simple is used to show duration of past actions. Usually we find these time expressions in sentences as for 3 minutes, for 5 months, for 4 days, all night, all day, all morning, all afternoon, and so on. Okay. Here after using the time expression for, we say the words in plural, like for 3 minutes, for 5 months, for 4 days, and so on. But we must use words in singular after the time expression all. Okay, like he worked all night, she watched television all morning. In these sentences, all night, after the word time expression all, we use the singular word night, all day, all morning, all afternoon. Okay, like this we can use singular words after the time expression all. Okay, past simple is also used to express when clauses. Okay, what's the when clause? Let's understand now. If we have two clauses in a sentence in past simple, we use clause when to describe an action which happens first. Okay, for example, if we have two clauses in the sentence, both clauses are in the past simple, then we use when clause to describe an action which happens first, means to describe the earlier action we use when clause. Let's see some examples. Deepthi decided to do the job when she knew the status of her family. Okay, what's the earlier action is here? She knew the status of her family. After she came to know the status of her family, she decided to do the job. That's why the earlier action expressed here in past simple tense. In when clause, okay, the earlier action expressed here with when clause. Next, Sheetal brushed her teeth when she woke up. The earlier action here is she woke up. When she woke up, Sheetal brushed her teeth. That's why for the earlier action here, when clause is used. My lecturer started online classes when the government extended lockdown. The government extended lockdown is the earlier action. After that, he started online classes. He decided to take online classes. That's why the earlier action is expressed here by using when clause. I liked to watch the movie when I saw the trailer. After I saw the trailer, I decided to watch the movie. I thought it's very good. Then I decided to watch it. That's why here the earlier action, what is here? I saw the trailer. That's why it is expressed in when clause. Now let's see how to frame different types of sentences in past simple tense. Okay. As we know, there are three types of sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. How to frame them, what's the structure of them, now we will see. Affirmative sentence, we follow the structure of subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, she painted a picture. Here the verb is in V2 form, past tense, painted. I watched a movie last night. She completed her homework. They bought a house. He closed the window. In all these sentences, the verbs are in V2 forms. Okay, this is a affirmative sentence. Now let's go to negative. The structure of the negative sentence is subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. She did not paint a picture. Okay. In the affirmative, we used V2. Here in the place of V2, we used did plus V1. Did plus V1 equal to V2. Again, we should not use V2. Did plus V2, it's wrong. Okay, she did not paint a picture. It is the correct. If we write she did not painted a picture, it is the wrong usage. Okay, did plus V1 equal to V2. Please keep it in mind. Remember it. Next, I did not watch a movie last night. She did not complete her homework. They did not buy a house. He did not close the window. Here these are sentences giving the negative meaning. That's why these are all in negative sentences. These are all called negative sentences. In the negative sentence, we must use the word not. Okay, next interrogative. Did plus subject plus V1 plus object. Here also we use did plus V1. Okay. Did she paint a picture? Did I watch a movie last night? Did she complete her homework? Did they buy a house? Did he close the window? Okay. In all these sentences, these all sentences are in past simple. Thank you for watching my video. Let us meet with other topic past continuous in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.